Kalong ke ba pensarong ye ke jela Meghalaya haba ke kerteng jongka kalapau Shabar jokeri kata syaduk syari South Africa. Kani galong nagadau ba laingut ki Thei dait riam ke jela kila job hagi kerdan baper hagi Jingïakob Thei Bhabriew ya kabala tip kumka Queen of the Universe Pageant kabala long ha South Africa hagi shitarik unailu. Hakawai na kini ki Jingïakob dan ke Pageant kaba kinong ye shimanta kidon hadu lai pesan ngut arngut ki Thei Bhabriew na jela Meghalaya jongkari India kila yok bandeng ya ki pensnga kata ka Nadia Mary Emily kabala yok e kanam lado rengkat bat ka hundaka hawaki luhut kabala yok e kanam second princess. Hakani ki Jingïakob ka Carla Van Zyl nari United States of America kala yok e kanam first princess. Kani kadai kesin ke benengkong ya kini kita samla ban yok lait yashimenta hagi rensa Jingïakob Shabar jongkari. Hakawai pat ke benta jong Jingïakob ya kabala tip kum ke Rainbow Nation 2018. Haga kerdan jong kiba nado kerta keba khat khandai hadu kerta keba arpusan keba kinong yashimenta kidon hadu saupusan ngut ka Thei samla hundaka hawaki luhut na Meghalaya jongkari India kala yok ra ya kanam lado bat ki arngut nari South Africa kata ka Tivani Makamnu kabala yok ya kanam first princess kadba ka Sane Bothma kala yok ya kanam second princess. Sakawai pat ke Jingïakob Thei Bhabriew Miss Rainbow Nation 2018 kapadai ka kerdan jong kiba arpun rius nem kerta Sheneng ka Cindy Burrell nari South Africa kala yok ya kanam lado kadba ka Thei samla Marchi M Sangma nari India kala yok ra ya kanam first princess balabut pat daga Natasha Michels nari South Africa kabla yok ya kanam second princess.
Artali ki competition kiba ki shimbenta kabaning kong kadai ka Queen of the Universe. Ya kani ka Queen of Universe hapo South Africa kasdang ha ketu hajar iwe. But ha ka ya kani ka baar pada kadai ka Rainbow Nation. Kani ka Rainbow Nation kasdang ha ka hajar riu. Te haba ngilet chathi ngila groom yaki for some days katu kani sngi ngila groom yaki. But te hapadeng kita ki grooming ki babon te ni haba kilet chathi pada kila perform bah hadu kata-kata ba de kila yo ya kejing job mo inadia ilong winner if ki shikot chathi ki ong ki first princess ka jaga ki ong first runners up ki ong ki first princess ide na po USA but second princess pada naka category jong inadia yo i hundaka na po India mo ibangingi alam lang te nang to pade hadin kata kadon sa kawai ka competition kataru kawai pat ka pageant ki ong ka Rainbow Nation hagani ka Rainbow Nation ka main purpose ka jongki baro artali hibat ka ni ka Queen of Universe ka purpose ka jongki kalong habaki la yo ya ka crown kinlet shala ki jongki ri ya ka banle ya ki kambabha ki ong ka charitable work mo hala ki jongki community ki jongki ki baki ki don baki la ban le kata ka de main purpose jongki te hakani ka Rainbow Nation ki categories ki bu nadu ki badang red bro artli but universe but rainbow ki don nadu ki badang red ki juniors hadu ki bahe ki teen nang ta pade ki don segi ki tiny ki ong ki tiny ru nang ta pade ki don segi ni ki miss ki don nang ka 19 to 25 ki miss nang tapade kidon 26 plus. Ti haka Rainbow Nation haka 19 to 25 i hundaka ila yo kum inong job i wina but ki arngut ki weipat ki bayo ki kum ki first princess but second princess kita pade ki dina po South Africa. Ti haka ju ko poru haka arpun riu plus mo 26 plus pada ti Marchi ishim benta hakato Marchi M Sangma but ilayo kung first princess hakato tingi kabaning kong ning shop kalong kajing aingu you blay namar ba ka blueprint ka ba ublay ubu nakabenta kajing im kajungi ngila ban pendat ya kata ka blueprint ka purpose ka ba ublay ubu nakabenta kajing im kajungi te kalong shisha kajing kemen te ka ai ka baki kila ban ai pan halor ka eka jing yo ka jongki kata ka de ka eka bala hikai yaki haba ni la yo ka exposure ka babun hang thia po South Africa but ngit skamba kin la ban give back it's not only to take but it's to give ndai tang ban shu shim ma Henry ya kabak bila bakin ai pade ya ki wei pat ken kum kita ki queen ma ki la long menta kin long ki set ka good example but kum ba phitep hi ya ka team ka jongi ka long ban what e ki men and women of integrity ki ba ya ka hok ka jing shisha ka lenti ka batei ken te ni expect ya ka taru na ki ka bakidang ya ling ba news nam but nga ai khuble ya ki ba ki la le bha te halor kini ki ek nga yu iru hang ni shalong ba ni don kam kum ka kanja Grooming Institute te ni dang ya kren ngin form ya kanika society haga ba ngin bu no ka Grooming Institute kata ka Grooming Institute namar ngidang sedang ngin don chwa tang suppose ngi na do upanai October te kisngi ki banai ki ba ngi ngila bangin belong October, November and January. Te namar ka pageant ka ba ngin pelong pat kan dai ho April arpu sau tarik adu arpu nyau tarik te ka target jungi ngidang bu hi ki jing yu ka target ke jungi kalong le si ngin le no hakawai pat ka jaka kanum long shu poga hati kan long pat hakiwai pat ka jaka.
Where there is much respect and privilege given to womanhood. That is the land I came from.
Take a winning walk together.
Ningkong ngas ngukmane ama. Ningkong ngai ngu you play try kanra nama ade lang ba jong uma. As he is the real source of all the beautiful things in my life. And also ngaku abanai kublay may pa jonga. Nama ade lang ba jong ki hi bang sa po hiro kanika thong ma. Habang I participate kanika beauty pageant Queen of the Universe. Kidan kumba life sun plus mo ki contestant baro. But kumju ngayo different experience na gitu baro. As it was my first time bangalay internationally. Kumba ngai imo ki contestant ni ay like ki ngai ikop ki long professional ba. Te kadon ni kita kajing year mo haladi ba kumnu ngali compete ba ki like they are so good. They have a good height. They have everything. Tang ba kalong na koi like I never lose hope. I just give my best and I feel that I'm very hardworking. But I believe that I can do that, so I just give my best.
Kada kasi kabenengkong kajonga bangan li chimbenta Shabari, and it was a nice experience, amazing, and I learned so much from this beauty pageant. It built my life and also my career kan. Kajing chimbenta jongi hakane ki beauty pageant kalong it's the same technique, everything traditional, casual round but formal round, and kidan ki question round tambam dan question round ra kidan ki interview but ka ki base by na po ka introduction round kan. I ngalet participate ngalet pan participate ya kanika Queen of Universe. Ya kanika Queen of Universe ngalayo akum as the second runners up, second princess kamot bang awan balai kan. Nanti pada after this show, jong kanika Queen of Universe, again I participated in this Rainbow Nation. Kadai tahun tu hui, ti ngasu participated and I got the ngayok main winner ma. And kajing participate jonga because I came for this Miss Universe. Tinga kwa ban yo as the main winner ma. Tambang mam yo ra main winner. Ti having a chance to perform again. Ti like my passion or my dream or my aim is like to get the main crown kan ting nangalale kanika second pageant pada ngalayo.
My journey to South Africa, I was really excited to present there in beauty pageant because this is my first international beauty pageant. So it's awesome place and I really love the people and places. I prepare myself, it's been so long, and I went to yoga class, dancing class, and I never expect that I'll be reaching there, but by the grace of God I reached there and finally I have got a crown. I feel so great, and among the 53 to 54 on beauty pageants, among them I work and I was achieved first princess at Miss Rainbow Nation, and it was a wonderful time for me, and I love the Meghalaya people who support me and encourage me to reach me the international beauty pageant.
Ningkong mo por bakia khot like they take my name ngaklam suthu mo namar ba like their accent it's very different mo nangi. So it's something like Noida. So my name is Nadia. So I was just searching. I was just looking here and there more that they were really calling me or not. So after that, to repeat again. So as soon as I hear my name, so I was really excited more that I can believe that I'm really the winner of the Queen of the Universe that I went for. So I was really excited, and I thank God for that. Thank God for that. Te kumbangalayo rai kanika namo as a Queen of the Universe. Te langba kanika pangsingan pa kanika sash bangayo. Ang ako ban build a circle of professional network for them, so that like it will be easy for them. Even anyway, if they lara kidon kata kasap mo bakin la ban ipai kasap lejong, but kumjo bakin yo lat kumbangayo lat banga menta banganyo ban represent ka country lejong.
Hoy, ban simbenta Shabari te kalong obviously long nervous, long shifting, iting hima. Tamba at first I ngadon beta kata hope within me bangan sayo ay dangam yo ka main count at least something and job bet mo. Te having that confidence within me te ngalet simbenta along with the support jong family but jong perlok prajar jong my whole town here po joy. Te ngalet nga simbenta and I went for the crown and I got the crown. te kalong kaba suntunat ma kaba ngasuntunat kaba long balik ngabangalit siya long I went and I see all new beautiful places. Nanti pada I meet friends nga kenduk parlok kumto, and also kay banga learn from this journey is like Africa was it's kadai kasnang kabadap daki ksiar sudama. It's rich in its culture, and ngi like support kita ki gold mine kumno ki like ngi like ban pule ma mle pule ngi should like kumto learn about their history kan. And jangkane ka beauty pageant also ka like kaya it teaches us so many things, like it's not about the crown and the sash, it's about who you are kan. And nangilay siya ting like ki kam are cash prize tangba what we do with the crown and the sash, that is the main important thing kan bangilan. Kar kompanya jeng kini kijeng kam ngalong kalong like best bha because ka I presentation yang ikom ki samlaro and ya ki klong rumah still to go future because kumbanga ong on the last interview but like it's a stage for us to voice our choices kan. Alright, where there is a will, there is a way. The kidan jing tmu ban poshaka thang can like they can always do it. And plus, yes, I'll be like an inspiration for them, and I'll help them, and I'll be there for them kan.
Kumbangan pet nyo ka jing long jong ki like kalong different ba nangi mo. Their lifestyle, the food they eat, everything, it's just different. Their kumbangan ong no kabam te like I really miss kabam ladi mo jong kari la jong hi. No, I don't like the food out there. But they have a really like they are very kind-hearted, polite, and they treat us very well mo. Ki Bhabriew chathi, kilong kiba jai and they're just too good. Kong long ako apan I play mami director jungi mo. Ma'am Eldora nama de lang ba jong ki hi bangalap po hedo hangnya. But kumjo like ila groom yangi every day. For the how to speak, kumno bangin kran in face ki crowd, kumno bangin showcase, kumno ngin long confident hakajing kran jongi and all. But kumno ngin yan in yang.
As my wishes that I want to build a grooming class in West Karo Hills so that youngsters can come and join so that they will be reach the international beauty pageant. So I will love to help them. Before I go to South Africa, I was think that when I come back with the crown, I will do grooming class in West Karo Hills. It was very difficult for me to go for international beauty pageant because no one is support me. So I have faced the financial problems. So, but my mom, she supports me, and I really want to hug her now. And I lost my father when I was 7, but being a single mother, she helps me a lot. My mom, she supports me a lot that I reached there. Without her, I can't be reached there. And I want to thank to Ma'am Eldora. She encouraged me and support me.
The only message I'll give to the youngsters is that dream big and make your dream be successful, and if you dream hard, success will definitely come. And the thing to that is hard work and determination kind. So if they can do that, everyone will be success in their life. So hopefully you all guys will do.
Nga syukur apa naik ni ke message mo yaki ba lada fidon kanu kasap te pendon kam yaka but ka main ka ba pidi pendon api ka dei ba just be yourself. Namar ba lada fi filong ka eba pi day, like you don't need to be like what others want you to be. You just be yourself and just give your best. It's just that.
Hagbaning kong nga congratulate di kini ki kena jongi ki bala participate po South Africa. Hagane ka level mo kepada international mo level ka bakila job. Kawai ka ba sultanat kadai kani ka competition ka balong po South Africa. Kadai ka balong bet bha mdan ka jing nyo silang khamat. Ki bala bha ki job. Ti kajing job jong kini kena ngapet kadai kajing trisitom jong kiro namar ba nadu ubnai April kadon ko audition hane Shillong bar hadin bakila syajid ha kani ke national level ngi ba kini ki kena ki job kila trishitom but ha ba ki trishitom ngi kawan rai so jong jing job ha ka wei ka ha be de ba kani ka benta nga ya rap ya i lok jonga nomor ma idon kani ka jing khot ka Bhabriew pen ya ban tre hab deng kini ki samla ki bedon kasap katalen kamtam ha kani ka benta ti nga yarap bat ngai don lang bat di berbor nga kershan ro bat nga nang ya kershan ro te bang kermen scam ba kani ka benta ka ba ngi la don na do pasdang kan nang yarap kini ki kena jongi ki bedon kasap ha kani ka benta klang bakila ban mi khmat ya kari India ka jongi bat kamtam ya kani kari ka bi ki jongi ka state ki jongi te nakaliang ka jonga ngakwa ban ai ya kani ka mo ban pha ya kani ka khubor syaki kena samla jong kani ka ri ka bi ki jongi ba haba kini ki kila ban kermen skamba ki wero ki babon kinla bani compete kamtam hagani ka level international level
habang ban participate ban job ru kadai ke barok kadai ke jingalam ke jong play te habang apa bat hadin bangal international ru shaka Mrs Asia International te ka banga nga UE kalong ba pageants usually kimlong fair so nakata kadaw hadin ki jingdwai ki babon te ngisa ia perkhat lang ba ngin sedang no e ka pageant ka ban ya hakalenti ka badai khnang ba ki khon samla ki jungi mdei tang hagani ka hangni ha po ri khasi jungi hnre hagari India hi barok we ke ru kin snotho ya kalenti ka ba ki kinyan haga jingim ka jungi katai ka dei ka purpose ka jungi namar hapo hamenta habangi thmu banle ru ya kani ka ban sedang no ikani ka institute on grooming ngi ki kun samla ki jungi le hangni hapo ri jungi ka kampat judon te ngi kwa ban sedang namar ka sap ka babun ka baki ki don te kalong ru ka jingkur khu ya ka ban walampat ka buram khanang ba kindawan phai pat kilong different ki pair ya ka ba ki yo ka exposure hakum kini ki pageant ki babet ki berhenti ki bamdon kanu unfair means te dai na kata ka daw bangi kwa bangin form ya kani ka pageant ka ban ya hakalenti ka babet kani ka pageant jing shisha ka dai ka national pageant but menta ngila change ka website ki jungi ka dai www.pageantindia.int kani kadai ka new website ke jungi namar ba mdei tang bangi participate ya ka minshwangi ai ka glamour namar bangi bu tang na benta ka glamour haya ka glamour ngi khlam yo ban participate mena kani te mentangi ngalong national director ju ya kani ka Queen of Universe te na kata ka daw te nga change no eka kerteng menta pageantindia.in te kata ka new website ke jungi te kata ka main thing te ka purpose kalong mainly kalong bangin hikai yaki khna samla tang kumnu ba phinyan kumnu ba phinle makeup henre kham tamle ban ai haki ya ka personality ban development personality development communication skills kumnu kin communicate ki babun ki pan ki bangi ngi thmu hagani institute pan le khnang ba ki khna samla jungi kin kiu haga jinglong Bhabriew ka jongki tang ba kin nang ban walk lani ban yan lani tang ban le style lani ban bu make up henry main thing ka target ka jungi kalong for personality development
haga jingi lenti ka jongi ka bla adab nadu macam senam hagbide ba ka bentang yo ba ki babun ki jingi lenti ki jongi ki babun ki ding penkiang sudah namar ba Bhabriew jongi kamtam hakani kari kabi jongi kimpat das ngothu than hakabi de bat kanika jing shimenta lembat kanika jing bat ke Pageant te ningkong ngaru ngam das ngothu ba Henry hadin ba ngilabu ke jing duai ngi ngothu ba kane pleng kade benta ka boblei ula khot ya i lok jonga tin ta kadau ngaru krishan Henry kumo mene ba ngai ba ki Bhabriew jongi wat ki bahiyeng sam jongi ru kilong ki kimda krishan hakitin pareng ki ong very negative te ngim de yo ru ke jing krishan na ki babun te Henry ha kan ke jing ya lenti ke jongi ai ngo yu blei nomor ino ngi i kan ke jing job kham tam ka bai de ba kan ka competition ka balong po South Africa ka de competition ka ba jur bha nomor ki ne ki Bhabriew la train ki kata ka rukam ka ba biang bha ngim poi perkhat ru ba kini laingot kini yo ya ke jing job te ke bro kum ba ongi lok jonga ka de ke jing lam ke jong blei ke de ke jing don kat ke jong blei bat kham tam ru ke jing trish tom ke jong kini hi ki khna bat ke jing yalam lenti ke jong i long jonga
main thing ka de na ka social network nani social media ki bagi khon kata ka de ka ba ni bu ya ka advertisement ke jongi te and then nalor kata pada ni khot eki bakin yan ni haban le ki grooming shwa bakin le participate internationally ngale ya ka grooming te hablut kapor haban treshitam te hadin kita ki grooming ki babon namaran kin le chathi ki introduction ki eru haban penbiang khnang ba ki baro khot ka ba ki le hang tu kan long shy kan you ting ni ai ngo you play ba ki yo ke jing chok kan bat ki ru ki la treshitam nakaliang ke jongki
ngi khot ye kini ki khna de lengba kini ki media ki print media nang tai electronic media ki bangi ai bat kham tam ru ya ka batesi
yes
de lengba ka batesi nadu ka audition ka mangi pelong kham tam tau snam ngi iba ki Bhabriew ki yo ban kontak yangi te nakaliang jongi bro argot ngi so komen handu kata namar ba kabetesi kala long ka way nagi channel ki ba hakan ni kari ke jongi bat ru wat national ru level kila kilong ki pej ba
ni haban batai sha ya ki kimi ki pa ki kimi ki pa ki ba kham shai ki sngo thu kloi te ngi struggle ru ket tu kat ni ki kimi ki pa ki ba mda sngo thu bha ki ba ngi haban really ban pen make effort nala de ru ban pen sngo thu ya ki mama ki kini ki eru halor kanega participation te kumta ni kendu ki kimi ki pa ni batai sha ya ki parokhan te dakila sngo thu ya ki te kila hun mensem te ni lam ki but ni sngo tanat baki baro ki bet
hak bede ne ka benta kombo pi ong ka shisha namar ban pen sngo thu kalong ka benta ka ba ngi shem jing namar don ki khna ki ba wan na nong kandong ru te Henry namar bangim don kanu ka motif ka ba long ka jing mo ka jing mut ka ba snew na mangi mut bait nam ta ka ba bha ban kentiu ha bide ne ka benta te na kata ka daw ka kermen scam ba kini ki mi ki pa ka jong kiru hadin bala pen so tho ki sa sha ki khun ki jong ki bani shim mata ki jing ha ka bide ba ne ka benta ngai i kham tam kini kisnam la adam kalong ban pha ki shabar ka baning kong kalong ba nap dan nap deng kini ki khna ki ba bun deng jong ki ba job ha ka national level kim long ki ba biang haga baide ka pisah financially kim da biang hadu kata-kata te nakaliang jong ka jingirap banyo jingirap ro nakaliang jong sarkar le nanang noro kim yo jingirap kalong bet na yeng tinga i kani kadi gawi kading penkyang tiga ba aru kalong ba khamtam ha ka baide ba ka visa ban lej ban participate namar ba ngi bala banaj participate khamtam hagini program banyo visa kalong ba adu kata ka khamsuk banlej as tourist banyak kabalik ban participate kami kini ki bentah namar mdei tang ni ngi ba ki jing mo hak bi dei ba ki kena samla ki Thei kam tam te ki shem jing ba namar bon let's say ki organization ki balik sabar ki lek dakawai pat ke jing temo